Yeah, so what are we doing now? Today are Christmas.
Good morning, good evening, good afternoon, wherever in the world you are.
People, you see me have put up with this place, yeah? You see what me have put up with this nice place. Anyway, a Christmas morning, people. And, you know, Cook and Inspire boss there. And Cook and Inspire
CEO there.
CEO there. CEO there, yeah? So, yeah man, so we're gonna cook up today. It's not a usual cook up video. It's more like a vlog. See? So people, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to this channel. Yeah man, because you know say when we're in the kitchen and at Christmas, you see, we have red and black. At whichever they say, a gold and black. And I hold it tight. And yeah, so people, I want you guys to go and check out my new family channel. It's called Life with the Deans. Yeah man, so please go over there, check it out. We haven't got no content up at this present time. Within the next week or so, we'll be having a content. It depends on what Lady Vanessa try to do. Yeah, so people, show the support and thank you all for supporting this channel, Cook and Inspire. You know, Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year when it comes. Yeah man, whenever you see this video, we're gonna give you some cooking vlog today. And you have a lot of things cooking. Most of our meat are already seasoned up, so we're just gonna go. If you want to see we meat seasoned up, drop a comment in the comment section and tell me, say, yo, you want to see how the meat is seasoned up. We have some roast beef though. Season it up already. If you want to see it seasoned up, leave it in the comment so that we can go ahead and show you how to season up a roast beef, curry goat, and chicken. Me not the most cooking today still. I'm just in the kitchen I don't keep around still. See? Anyway, them kids are there here.
Go cook.
And my mother-in-law there. It's the most unusual Christmas this ever. I'm telling you, we used to have Christmas like this when time we have like what, 30 people?
Minimum 30 people.
30 people and a Christmas, so it's a quiet one. But yeah man, we go cook and eat food, belly full, and go sleep, wake up, eat again and go sleep again. So I say go. So I'm gonna start by starting my rice and peas.
That's so loud though.
That's too loud.
That's therapeutic.
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 Therapeutic. Therapeutic. Help me out, yeah?
Therapeutic.
Therapeutic. Therapeutic.
Why you bite your tongue?
So we cook some.
When you go to school, they say to put your tongue between your teeth. That's
my teeth. I have space between my teeth. So my tongue can hold between.
Let's pronounce the T-A.
I like how your tongue can hold between your teeth.
Why?
Look, you have a big space.
Oh my god.
I've got a gap.
So you can get a big gap. So, cow peas.
Right.
Now usual rice and peas I cook today. I cook cow peas.
The baby's crying.
See?
Why is that crying?
Oh yeah, I'm making all this though.
I'm making my fruit punch.
Sorry, small up the kitchen.
Tell us what you put in your fruit punch.
So,
Right here is sugar and water.
this is fruit punch cordial. Thyme and ginger.
Right now I put style in there.
But you have to style yourself different.
Oh.
This, me import this from Jamaica. I can't take the tape off it because I give a problem.
You
import it, eh?
Yeah.
Where you got Jamaica?
Me get one barrel from Jamaica.
You don't know.
Yeah.
You know the barrel come from Jamaica.
You see them.
Get a scissors.
Oh.
And the people
Yes,
that
scissors.
forgot to put the breadfruit in a barrel. Vex.
Really?
Yeah.
So right now, peas wash. I go boil up my peas. Boil up my peas. Oh no, for yourself. By the way, not today, we should have on holiday.
you get breakfast. You wake up and your breakfast.
Should I get holiday out of the kitchen today?
Your breakfast was ready and waited.
No.
You're not that.
So.
Did you make the cocoa?
Yeah.
No.
Why?
I'm just asking. I never said that. No, I didn't. Wow.
You like,
really?
can me teach you to make cocoa?
Like me couldn't make cocoa. Yeah? Like me couldn't make cocoa.
I don't know. Should you?
I don't know. Would you? Put in my garlic and I make it in my rice and peas, you know. Set the pan and then you go rice and something. Go down. Ready to knock music.
Hi, Grandma.
Hi, Flashy.
Mom, your living room's dark. This is Nehemiah. He got a drum set for Christmas. Nene.
Dad.
Why is his voice sound so deep?
Dad.
Bye. I'll let me chat, man.
Bye.
Die.
For Christmas now you can't chat.
Die.
Yay!
You can tell her it tastes bad. You can tell her it tastes bad.
Yeah. Tell her then. Joy, the tongue tastes bad.
Over here.
Yeah.
Follow me.
I don't like it.
You don't like it?
No.
I catch me.
Yeah.
Oh, you can't have a jar here.
Because Joy already
No jar, so
said tongue tastes bad.
I cook some very good. I run out a big pot, so I have to put down a whole pressure cooker.
You put camera in on that?
Why not? I would like to put the season up,
And after
so why you got one of that?
we get half of it for £30.
Like half an actual goat for £30.
And one year auntie made me buy half of it for how much was it? £80, isn't it?
£80.
Yeah.
No, you can't trust Andy.
And but that the man they go always fresh and
Fresh.
nice
Where you get it
and
from?
soft.
Tottenham.
What makes you say that?
Miss P, get your fish. Miss P. Ilya, you didn't say savage look like you. So guys, curry goat season up. I would say that I goat there.
Me.
Every season up the goat.
Me.
Lady chef. Lady cook and inspire season up the goat.
You can season.
Seriously?
I'm smell it. If you don't smell good, if you don't smell good, let me say that season good.
Did you put onion? Onion.
No.
You see one something else to do now.
What one?
Smell it.
Yeah.
You see?
Well, cook it and put whatever else it wants in there. Why you never season it up yourself?
I never ask you to season it up.
You lie?
You did ask you to season it up? I couldn't have to goat season up, meat season up. I'm season up the beef. But thanks anyway. Say hello. Say hello.
Let's taste this because I like
Say
it.
hello. Say hello everybody. Say welcome to Cook's Inspires Kitchen. Say big up on yourself. We're there chef up for the Christmas. What?
He wants lift up.
You live up, man.
That's a whole boy.
Leave, that's sweet.
Come taste it. You taste it. Taste.
That's sweet. I even make my face and it's sweet. I see it? You see it? Yeah, because it's sweet that dip your face long night back. Watch. I'm gonna catch you.
Not gonna
Come here.
And coleslaw.
No. Yeah, no
I
course
do the video and said Christmas.
Yeah, of course not in my fridge.
There's no coleslaw in the fridge.
Why you chat so much, little girl? Why you chat so much, little girl? Cheese on face. I can give her this, you know.
No, but you have to. There's not no coleslaw.
B, you Jesus, man. God have mercy upon you. Cheese, you know. Are you going to do green salad? I never do nothing. Let's do one look cook up. Christmas. I don't know.
You do not make your mac and cheese?
No, I'm not macaroni and cheese.
Mm.
I can't do that.
It's my favourite part of Christmas dinner.
Well, you can't make it.
Mm.
I'm sure you look over make it that. You sure you make it all the time.
I made it the other day.
Yeah, so make it now. I'm only camera, you make it.
Mm. You don't, come in. You don't have cheese.
And
Cheese in the fridge.
Hey.
So
My
you,
man come back to the school.
so you can make. You can make it like that.
What? The macaroni. Again.
So what you have to put your clothes in your mouth for? You come like Shemaya. Nehemiah, what are you doing? Come here, boy.
You are in Barbados.
You want to be in a fight?
Where's the pasta pot?
I never know so we have special pot.
But you can't make it yet. You see stove with no more space.
Sorry.
Right, so like when I cook, I can't come out of the kitchen.
Why?
I'm not cool. What? Oh, my tap is on.
You know, when Mom did that, she would cuss us out. Her reaction was, oh. Now she would mind gets it from. Oh.
Who did this to my dog?
You did it.
No.
Yes.
Mega banana from my house.
You can't do that. You can't do that.
I live here.
Exactly.
I don't live here.
You have keys, so we live here.
You know,
I'm gonna change the lock.
You said before, you know, leave all keys on the counter.
Why?
No last Christmas this year.
That's a lie.
No chance then, no.
Hey, that is a lie. Watch them balls when they come Christmas.
The last Christmas is through this door.
That's a lie. Mom, what's your sister? You could never get rid of me.
Hey, tell them it's the last Christmas through this door. And
So
not
the
coming
father
back here.
said I will not last.
No. Mama.
Last ever Christmas is
I
through this
don't
door.
own a key. You can pull the own the door.
Then I don't come here, I don't know.
They changed the lock.
We're gonna put the rest in. Santa Claus.
You know, buy one bag of sweetie.
Where them buy sweetie for? Where that come from?
Shop.
Where not go buy?
The last time in the back.
What?
We got parsley and ice and we got soup.
Why?
Mom. Hi, vlog. Hi. Hi. I'm so silly. Merry Christmas, everyone. Hope you enjoy your Christmas.
So where you gonna put this up in now?
Huh?
Where you gonna put this up in now? What? Where the ball there?
In the cupboard.
Stuck off it now? You put them up and then that, so. And why you work on something too long on the counter?
Mom did that.
Look over there, so.
Thank you.
It's when I have to go through. It's when I have to go through and then I come in my kitchen.
Hi, Papa.
Not because.
That's not
Cousin
true.
get you sweetie.
Because
Make sure that you make macaroni and cheese because me not.
You need some red cup.
For what reason?
So I never buy any Costco.
I've got red cup
You can't
Where
put
is it?
Q-Tex on them.
Where is it?
in the attic.
You not know.
Can I have it, please?
My hands are clean.
So you not put the pasta in or something? Not the job.
I'm busy.
You think it's funny, right?
Mom, can you put these in a jar?
I'm busy.
Where are the back of me?
You were running into the traffic. Are you zooming in? Is that enough
She
cheese?
seems like I'm not dumb.
Is that enough?
Sasha, you have macaroni and cheese. You don't ask me nothing, man. How much time you see me I cook? You see me have to talk about people.
Because you have 2 cheese, I only have 1 cheese.
Then when they look, I don't know if I cook. Well, they don't know if I cook, but then that's why I ask question. Too much.
Huh?
I don't notice that from British come here.
Listen,
British
me
mouth
not
stop.
eating nothing more in there. Plus, it's greedy, man.
I left, you were eating. Come back, you're still eating.
That's exaggerated.
Yes, guys, so here we are. The light.
Wasn't that Mom's favorite movie, girl?
Yeah.
We're there. I'm there. I'm in the kitchen. I'm not cooking up. That's how much I go on. Don't eat nothing more in my house.
Okay, put this away, please, and thanks.
I'm not stay. I think this thing is up.
Little donkey.
Will you come out each up on myself?
I don't know what to do.
What? What? I cook it, cook it.
Where's the bag then? Where's the bag?
Merry Christmas, everybody.
Nobody can see that. Sasha, shush, man. No way I say. Rice and peas.
And curry chicken and rice.
Peas are boil.
Chicken and jerk.
And we have a goat over there, so we'll kill. The goat a boil on the pot.
The whole camera's run.
So what you gonna do? What you do?
I'm preparing my stuff for my chicken.
So my teacher for make chicken.
No.
Teacher for fried chicken.
Really?
So you're done big chef now.
I cook for me at 10-year-old.
Where?
Entire family.
You can cook for 10, if I had 10.
For me at 10, me I
So
cook.
what you use much milk for?
You wash in the kitchen.
You can't come out now then.
Eh?
You can't come out.
No, you Britty, tart truth.
You can't come out.
Tart truth.
What was the
You
question?
must say, but him can't come out the kitchen now.
Why?
When Garnet come in the kitchen,
You're just landing at the kitchen.
No, I cook from my barn. I was born cooking. I was born on the stove cooking. When born Edway, so when time I come out, I saw me and knife pot. I cook.
no serious. I want the boysy. Boysy.
It's not about me, we're talking about Garnet cooking when I was bored.
My barn, and I made come out. I have a knife and sit and cut up season to fry up.
So where you get the knife from?
That's not them give me.
Who is name?
It's one knife, yeah. I born in hospital, you know, so I born in my yard.
Me born on me yard. Me born when me born. Within 5 minutes, me cook a meal for my entire family.
No.
So it's how we born a cook.
What kind of family did I land in?
So it's how we born a cook.
Yeah.
So people. Then we have a fried chicken in a fryer to get bossy.
Open this up.
We buy a fryer a little. Not too bad still, you know. Oil filter and everything. Yeah, about 50 something pounds for it. Not a bad buy.
Is that how much you pay for?
Yeah, so this whole a lot of chicken.
You know what happened to me last
And it's not for Bahrain.
Oh no, we wouldn't do nothing like that. Cause we're
Okay, we put
boring.
back your skeleton and anything, you put on your skeleton and I put on this.
No, you gave me the skeleton.
You drunk or something?
Maybe. Something.
We
Can I have a
wouldn't
drink, please?
do nothing like that because
You know, it's never run out there.
we're boring.
Alright, you're not giving me a drink. You're not giving me a drink. I go to 2 to give me a drink. 2. 2 me are going to give me a drink. 2. 2.
Val,
Yes.
so if Garnet throw
You chat too much, man.
and me a drink it.
She's gonna throw her. Where's my drink? Where's my drink? So you're in farmer? They're gonna to give me a drink.
1, 2.
Me tell them put the play the song make me dance in their dance.
Let me see come from. It's massive, isn't it?
America that come from?
Hmm?
America that come from?
No. It comes from Manchester.
Manchester way.
In
United.
the UK.
And most America that come from my big.
They bought it in the Manchester.
Can I have my drink, please?
Oh, you didn't got your drink?
I don't think
No,
you were
drink this
serious.
right
It's
now.
been
No, put
there
it
the
back
whole the whole
It's over there.
time.
Who put it back there?
That's got amnesia.
You forgot it
Your
was
face
there.
now have a major. Your face like you have a major. Eh? You got your face.
Wow. Can I try?
Stop playing with my ears now.
Ouch.
Did you cut me eye? Please, man. Thank you. Thanks, no?
No, you say your legs.
Stop, no?
Everything you want somebody in it. Do this, do this, do
That's
this.
it, that's for help me.
No.
Is your master?
You macaroni want to go, you know?
Macaroni.
What's that, though?
Whoa. Uh-huh. Okay. Okay. That was more.
Yeah, baby.
Should I?
One there.
Oh my gosh. It's burning my lip.
Should I?
What?
So when I get to all of that.
Because Dad's going to say something.
Show it where you're at that part. Show it where. I'm sure saying pot full of stuff. You know what to do with it. Yes, babes. And babes and apes. And all apes.
Uh-oh.
The food and some cook.
Uh-oh.
The food soon done. Oh yeah, fry yes.
Stand up.
It's my chuck off like it. Do it again, let me see.
Stand up.
Let me catch it on camera. Do it again. Do it again. Give me a chuck. Give them a run. Give them a chuck. Go on. You must see that drink rum or something. You must see that drink rum. You black up. You like your black up, brother?
You okay? You okay? Calm down.
You black up.
Dance, dance. Dance.
Who bugs someone?
They might dance.
What's your name? Get him back, get him back, get him back. Get him back.
I put in the sink a little bit
Why?
because I put milk in it.
Why?
Because you put something in my drink.
You put on your drink?
Yes.
It's your head.
What's
on my head.
Goated.
So what does your head look like?
Human head.
Oh, what head? Look, something's there. Look.
Watch it, man.
Something's there.
Yeah, pick never know in there.
It's on the drums. The window.
One, two. One, four.
One for me. One for myself.
Why? You know watch Peter no bear that chat.
What's wrong with that? You wash plate and on the phone at the same time.
No, watch Peter, no watch Peter.
Ricky, anything on the phone. The phone's right here.
So what?
So I cut the things them sachet. So I cut the things them.
What about that talk? Can you sleep on phone, Java sleeping on?
So I go like she's skilled.
Are we at that?
He's sleeping. He's not sleeping. Knocked out. Cold. Look what the girl have for your Christmas dinner.
You should be ashamed of yourself.
You should be ashamed of yourself.
You say you love me and you subject me to this?
Yes, so you subject yourself to pot noodle.
What did I do?
English girl.
We had to go to the house. We had to go back for.
You talking to me?
What for that?
My friend.
Vad fundes?
Cheers to myself. Ah. Straight up in the pound, you know.
You full?
How much you did?
You full? What seconds? No.
Well, I'm a boss. I'm boss. I'll give a lot.